I'm Jeff Coates from SureWorks. Check out the Hard Hat Interchange System, or HHIS, on Jackson's new XS2 safety helmet. If you wear a hard hat or safety helmet and have to wear a face shield or welding helmet, the HHIS system is what you need. It allows workers to switch between welding protection, face protection, without removing your head protection. Let me show you how it works. Start by taking these quick release blades and inserting them into the accessory slots on the hard hat. You're going to want to make sure that the quick release buttons line up with the ratchet on your hard hat. It's a universal design and fits just about any hard hat or safety helmet out there. So I slip it on, take your face protection, make sure that these pins line up with the holes inside the blades, and snap it in place. You should hear and feel the snap into position. Lower it down and you're safe to work. And when it's time, snap those out and then switch over to a welding helmet, all while staying protected and compliant on your job site. Now, a couple quick notes. Face shields and welding helmets are considered secondary eye protection, so always wear safety glasses like the Jackson SG. The Hard Hat Interchange System works with most hard hats, but it only works with Jackson welding helmets and face shields. If it's a little bit loose, make sure that it's fully engaged into the blades up at the top. And if it's still loose, go up to where these red knobs are and you can use that to tighten it. Don't use these gray knobs on the welding helmets or the face shields. They won't help. Like what you see? Try out the Jackson HHIS for yourself.